every child deserves a parent, but not every parent deserves a child. Today, we delve into the horrifying and tragic story of Mick Philpott, a man whose greed and manipulative nature led to the deaths of 6 innocent children in a twisted arson plot. This story reveals not only his abusive behavior, but also the troubling failures of the justice system that contributed to this devastating loss. Mick Philpott's life was riddled with violence, manipulation, and control. His abusive behavior began early, starting with his first partner, Kim Hill. She suffered brutal abuse at his hands, setting the stage for a long history of violence that would tragically culminate in the deaths of his own children. On 11th May 2012, a fire tore through Mick Philpott's home. 6 children perished in the flames, victims of a horrific arson plot that Philpott himself had orchestrated. What was meant to be a scheme to win back custody of his children ended in unimaginable tragedy. Philpott's greed extended far beyond manipulation. Over the years, he fathered 17 children with multiple women, exploiting the welfare system for financial gain. To the outside world, he appeared to be a devoted father, but behind the scenes, his children were nothing more than tools for his selfish agenda. This story forces us to confront a painful truth. The exploitation of welfare benefits and the lack of proper checks allowed Philpott to continue his manipulative ways unchecked. His case raises critical questions about the need for stronger systems that prevent such abuse. But the failures didn't stop with the welfare system. Mick Philpott's violent past was well known, yet the justice system showed him leniency time and time again. This leniency allowed him to continue his reign of abuse and control, ultimately leading to the deaths of his children. The consequences of failing to address abuse early on are tragically clear in this case. Perhaps most disturbingly, Philpott managed to fool the people around him. His neighbors, community members, and even some officials believed him to be a caring father. This case is a harsh reminder that abusers often hide behind a mask, and it's up to the community to recognize the warning signs. Philpott was later diagnosed as a psychopath, highlighting the dangers that individuals like him pose in family settings. Psychopaths lack empathy, thrive on manipulation, and, in extreme cases like Philpott's, can lead to unspeakable harm to those closest to them. While Mick Philpott remains in prison for his crimes, his accomplices have been released, sparking outrage from the public. People are left questioning whether justice has truly been served, and whether the system did enough to prevent further harm. The Darby family massacre is not just a tale of one man's greed and manipulation. It's a stark reminder of the systemic failures that allowed this tragedy to happen, failures in welfare, justice, and community vigilance. Mick Philpott's actions cost the lives of 6 children, and it's crucial that we learn from this horrific event to ensure that nothing like it ever